Just arrived in direct from the last owner. What an incredible car this is. Fantastic specification. It's the first one that I've had one of these actually. I'm totally impressed with the spec of it. Kia Optima 3. It's a 1.6 diesel, CRDi diesel, 134 brake horsepower, so very lively engine. It's a Sportswagon, of course, estate. Gravity blue metallic. Fabulous example. The customer's literally just brought the car in like this, so it's almost not even been valeted, but so it just shows how well it's been looked after. It is absolutely beautiful all the way around. 2019 69 plate, full Kia service history, 6 services by Kia, with just 32,000 miles. Very versatile car, of course, with this estate. As I mentioned, incredible spec. You'd be amazed when I take you all the way around it. Got the chrome roof rails. Absolutely huge boot. Look at that, tons of space there. Massive space. Split folding rear seats. So you may wonder what that is. That's to actually lock various positions, so you can slide it backwards and forwards. Hook things to it, stop things sliding about, and of course it can be just taken out altogether. So a lovely clean boot, no damage on that. Under there, storage. Under there, even more storage. And would you believe, under there, a bit more storage as well. And the car's got a detachable tow bar, which is there, which just hooks onto it if you need a tow bar on the vehicle. All the loading area nice and clean. The odd tiny mark, but nothing major at all. Rear parking sensors, rear camera, beautiful all the way around. No dents, scratches, scrapes or dings. It is fabulous all the way around. All the wheels are in great condition. Absolutely not seen any damage on any of the wheels. So all the wheels, great condition. All down the sides. Got rear privacy glass. All absolutely beautiful. Near side front wheel, again, all unmarked. No damage to that. Tyre. All across the front. Lovely and clean. Front parking sensors. Again, all the bonnet across the front, all very clean. Might be the odd tiny stone chip, but again, certainly nothing that I've seen that was highlighting. So all across the front, and that's why we do the videos on our hands and knees almost, to give you every perspective of the vehicle, so you know exactly what you're buying. So the driver's wheel again. So you can sit there, watch the video. It's almost like you coming around the car with me. Nothing to hide. The videos are videos, they're not being doctored in any way with AI or anything. So giving you the confidence to sit there in the comfort of your armchair to make an informed decision which car to buy. Again, all the trims on the doors, all unmarked. Look at that leg room there, massive leg room there. Got the part leather upholstery. Again, all that in great condition, non-smoker's car. All the headlines all perfect. Again, the driver's door, all in great condition, no damage there. Storage there, Harman card and stereo system, electric windows, electric mirrors. Got memory seats, electric seats, and all the entry points. Again, all in absolutely great condition. Leather multifunction steering wheel. 32,846 is the mileage. As I mentioned, 6 Kia services. All the dashboard, all the trims, all in great condition all the way around. Nice big clear screen navigation, all touch screen. You can have the map showing half and half with directional, or the full map across there. The home screen there. You can also set it up from there, so press that. It shows you navigation, sound, voice recognition, display, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, scroll across. So all very straightforward to set up. Bluetooth phone. All nice and clear. Or just a quick touch there, so if you want the radio on that, media, map, navigation, dual zone climate control, Ogs USB port in there, 6-speed manual gearbox. When I say incredible spec, heated seats, heated steering wheel, got the auto hold facility on there, and the camera, the reverse camera there. Of course, when you put it in reverse, it automatically comes on anyway. So that's that. Leather multifunction steering wheel there. Cruise control and speed limiter. Got the menu there, that'll change whatever you want to see in front of you on the display. Scroll through on that. Radio volume. Voice activation.
Please say a command.
Navigation.
Sorry, please repeat your last command.
Navigation.
Showing current location on map.
So literally just goes to the map, whatever you want. So you can use the voice recognition for map, directions, change radio stations, or to call somebody on the phone. Folding mirrors. You've got lane assist. That's the button there for lane assist. So what a fabulous example with just 32,000 miles and fantastic specification. Amazing value for money. Of course, we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Just use our online finance calculator to work out your deposit on HP or PCP. Alternatively, you can just pick the phone up and talk to us on 01782 822 700. We'll happily give you all the facts and figures that you need. And if you fancy this, at 2 o'clock in the morning, simply hit that reserve button so that nobody else can beat you to it. And remember our full money back guarantee, that if you come and see the car once you've reserved it and you feel we've not described anything correctly, we'll refund your deposit. No questions asked. Simple, easy, hassle-free way to buy your next car. But with the video, you know exactly what you're getting. No nasty surprises. Specialist Cars is open Monday to Friday. Established since 1997. That's 28 years in business. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. We're based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. A multi-award-winning dealer here to help you. Come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent, or we can arrange home delivery, so you could have that on your doorstep tomorrow morning. Additional costs do apply. So give us a call if you want it delivered to your doorstep. Any further information, please just give us a call on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.